All right, so it is currently 12 degrees in Anchorage, Alaska. Today we are doing just a really brief review of my brand new FNX 45. Isn't she beautiful? Today I am showing you my brand new FNX 45 caliber pistol. It looks pretty awesome, and it came with a carrying case and 3 magazines. And what was the deciding factor on this pistol for me was the fact that it carries 15 plus 1. I'd also, and you can see there's no magazine, there's nothing in the chamber. Checked beforehand, but this pistol is ambidextrous, so it has the safety, the slide lock, and everything on both sides of the pistol. It's single double action, and what's really cool about this is that the decocker is built in with the safety, which is awesome. Mag release on both sides. It just feels really cool, and I'm really excited to shoot it today. It'll be the first time shooting it. And look at that. That is a fatso. Alright, so next is shooting. Have the target set up, and we'll get started. Alright, so here's what it looks like just plinking around today. First time shooting my 45. Feels amazing. My wrists don't hurt. It was extremely fun to shoot, and I really think that I found the permanent sidekick. I'm excited.